friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Jitly Has Plans. In today's video, I am setting up my social media calendar for October in my Erin Condren Monthly. So let's get started. Alrighty friends, so here is the index page for October. It says there is no force more powerful than determination to create change. This is a pretty blue. I like this. It's very soft. It's kind of not going to match my kit, but that's okay. We're going to flip right into it. And then what I'm using for social media for this month is this kit from Planner Kate. I trimmed the top off so it would fit in my storage albums. But this is kit 546 and it's called Spooky. I loved the colors. I thought it was a little different. I like the little pumpkins and the jack-o'-lantern and the bats in here. So thought it was kind of sweet. And I have here all of my planned videos, and I have a couple of blank spots that I'll need to fill in eventually as well. But let's go ahead and get started with putting down these main headers here. I love these colors, like I said, it's just really pretty. And I'm just gonna put it as close to the coil as I can, because this goes right to the edge there. And then let's do this other sheet here. Just want to make sure I'm getting just inside the edge there. Okay, that's that. All right, so that's that. And then let's go ahead and put down the video. So I do Plan With Me's come out every Sunday, so I'm going to put all of these down here first. It's funny because this video for this last week actually falls in my October plan, but I plan it in the month of September because most of the days fell in the month of September, so it's kind of weird that the video comes out because I do it after the week has passed. So I've got 5 Plan With Me's in October, even though this month is actually in my September part of my planner. Okay, so there's that. And then I plan to put the Clean Mama up on Wednesday the 4th, so everybody that's following that routine can have as much time to do that one. And then let's put my monthly here on the Friday. And then we'll do the budget next here. I might, just because I'm traveling too, I might have like a little bit of a gap maybe, friends. We'll see. Also, I don't have many stickers I need to buy. So unless there's something that happens that I end up buying something, let's do those. So we get all the monthlies kind of done early on. And then my September, this is the week I'm traveling. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put this, actually I like to do these towards the end here. So I'm going to do this one here. And if I order anything, which I plan to order my December kits, because I think I'm set for October. Well, I'm set for October and November in terms of my monthlies. So I think I'm going to I'll leave these blank. And what I'll do is I'll just, if I get some content to put in there, I will. But this might be a week of no videos. We'll see, friends. Let's get this down here. So I'll leave these blank for now because I'm just gone that whole weekend. And then let's see. Let's do this little washi down here. I'm gonna that, and then this one little box here. Okay, so there's that. That is really pretty. I like that. Okay, and then before I get too much further into this, let me put the date dots down. Alrighty, friends, so I have all of the date dots down, and then I usually like to put just a little social media sticker on here. These are from Saya Planning, my little scripts here. So I usually like to just put that there. Okay, so that's that. And then let's go ahead and flip into the dashboard. So here I usually do my little checklist. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of washi down. There we go. And let's see, maybe what I'll do is I'll cover this asterisk. I think it'll cover with this. Yeah, let me just white it out just a little bit. Okay. I'm just gonna do a little stripe here across the top. I think that's cute. I really like this kit. I like the colors. Okay. So there's that. And then this is my YouTube. This little sheet is from Big Elephant Plans. So I'm just using this up. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my gray marker, my Tombow, N75, and my ruler, and I'm gonna draw in my grid lines here. So let me do this and then we'll be back. So there's my little grid, and let's get all of my little Saya scripts here. So I've got film, edit, upload, thumbnail, and live. So we'll put these down. They fit nicely just right in here. I love this little font, the lowercase. It's her lowercase classic. Film, edit, upload, and then thumbnail and live, which is when it goes live on my channel. Okay, so there's that. And then let's go ahead, since I have it, let's put this other piece of washi down just to anchor the page. So my little grid's not just floating out there. Okay, so there's that. And then here I'm gonna go ahead and just write down, I've got, I think there were 5 Plan With Me's. And then we have the Clean Mama. And then the October monthly. And my budget. Social media. We'll do some kind of haul, typically a sticker haul video once a month, and then September flip through. So I do a flip through of the previous month so you can see everything finished. And then I have a couple other, like I said, ones to fill in. So now let's go ahead and do this page. And here I just kind of like to just throw in some washi here just to kind of bring in the same color scheme. We'll do this one here. And then we'll cover this one here, this little periwinkle line. I have one more strip. So using just the 2 pages for the monthly gives me just enough washi to kind of cover these lines here in these dashboard pages. Okay, so there's that. And then let's go ahead and I kind of like these stars. Let's see if these cover. I like to use these here. Either the stars or the flags. We'll see if these stars cover these dots. Oh yeah. Let's put these down. And last one. Okay, so there's that. And then let's use these scripts. So I put up here my monthly kits. And then down here I do the weeklies. Just helps me remember what I did. So In my monthlies, I have my plum paper, which is my everyday carry. I have my Happy Planner budget book. It helps me to plan. And then we've got the EC social media. And then the Clean Mama routine, which is basically just washi and boxes. Okay, so there's that. And then here, I just put each of the weeks that I have to do a plan with me. There we go. And then the rest of my pages here, I just used for all of my note taking for things that I want to say, or, you know, the kit names and all that kind of stuff. So that's it. This doesn't look too bad. It does kind of blend well with this kind of color in here in the kit, so it doesn't look too bad. But that's my like dashboard, sort of my checklist, that kind of stuff. And then here's the calendar view where I kind of plot things out where I plan to put videos. So that's it. I've got a bunch. I'll use all of these probably in a weekly or something. I save all of these little icons and whatnot. So I've got these scripts here too. I save those as well. So that's pretty much it. Alrighty, friends. I think that's my social media plan for October. That's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.